Oke, halo, gua Anwar. Kali ini gua mau upgrade PC, lebih tepatnya sih mau rakit PC baru. Untuk PC gua yang dulu itu emang spesifikasinya udah tua banget. Dia cuma mampu untuk sebatas office aja. Dan untuk kebutuhan kali ini gua emang lebih cenderung ke editing, ke desain. Jadi gua perlu PC yang emang sanggup untuk editing. Untuk total budget yang udah gua keluarin untuk rakit PC ini kurang lebih sekitar 20 jutaan. Untuk part yang gua pakai di sini ada soket AM5 motherboard ASRock A620 hari M2 Plus ditenagai dengan AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. Sebagai sistem pendingin gua pakai dari MSI MPG Core Liquid K240. Sebagai storage gua pakai M2 NVMe 1TB dari Samsung. Untuk sistem memori gua pakai dari Corsair 2x16GB DDR5. Untuk asupan daya gua pakai P1200W dengan power efficiency 50+ dari Aorus Master. Dan untuk VGA gua pakai RTX 3070 Ti Aorus Master dari Gigabyte. Oke, kita langsung masuk ke proses perakitan. Oke, ini dia untuk hasil rakitan yang sudah selesai. Kita langsung lanjut aja ke tes gaming dan tes benchmark.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. That is your chance to be ruthless. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. That is your chance to be ruthless. That is your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Oke, itu dia untuk video gua kali ini. Kalau kalian suka, jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Gua Ano dari Arch Media. Sampai jumpa. Cheers.